Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make bonbon ice cream. First, select your favorite ice cream, about 1.5 quarts, and allow it to soften just enough to be pliable. Next, prepare your chocolate coating. You'll need approximately 12 ounces of good quality melting chocolate or candy melts. Finally, ensure you have a silicone mold with small, spherical cavities, ideally about 1 inch in diameter, ready for use. Now, let's form the ice cream centers. Take your slightly softened ice cream and carefully scoop small, even portions into each cavity of your silicone mold. Gently press the ice cream down to ensure it completely fills each space, creating a smooth, rounded top. Once all cavities are filled, place the mold into the freezer for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the ice cream is completely firm. It's time for the delicious chocolate coating. First, melt your prepared chocolate coating according to the package instructions, ensuring it's smooth and fluid. Next, carefully pop the firm, frozen ice cream balls out of their silicone mold. Working quickly, dip each ice cream ball into the melted chocolate, allowing any excess to drip back into the bowl. A fork or a dipping tool works perfectly for this step. Almost done. Once each bonbon is coated, place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. This prevents sticking and makes cleanup easy. Return the baking sheet with your freshly coated bonbons to the freezer for at least 30 minutes. This final chill ensures the chocolate sets perfectly. Store any remaining bonbons in an airtight container in the freezer for future enjoyment. They're a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.